Welcome back to IAS Tech. In this video, you will learn how to install Heroku CLI in your Mac. It is very easy and straightforward process. Just open the Heroku.com website and click on documentation and then click on the Heroku CLI. On this page, you would find several ways to install the Heroku. For example, you have a command to install on the Mac OS, Windows, Ubuntu, and many more other ways. So in this video, I'm going to use the npm to install the Heroku because it is very straightforward by using npm. But if you want to install with other ways, it's up to you. So let's install Heroku with the npm. For that, open the terminal. And before we start, I want to show you that Heroku is not installed and working yet. So now I would just type npm install Heroku, and then you need to type global. This would install the Heroku globally in your computer so that you could access it anywhere in any project. Wait for a few seconds and it would be done. All right. So it looks like that Heroku has been installed successfully. Now, to make sure that Heroku is installed, you can run a command by Heroku. For example, type Heroku dash dash version. As you can see, it is giving me the version of the Heroku. That's mean Heroku has been installed successfully. So from here, now you can use this tool to do anything in your project. For example, you can log in by using Heroku or build or deploy anything. So that's all I wanted to show you in this video. If you have any questions, then please feel free to ask me in comment section. And also please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye.